Assalamu alaikum. My name is Wajid Ali Khan, and today this is our second chapter in step by step learning basics of Forex trading. We call it moving average. We use moving averages in our two scenarios. One, we used to determine the trend in a particular time frame with these moving averages, and secondly, we combined it with the FIBO to find a very good SNR or relevant support and resistance in our particular setup. We use these moving averages to determine the trend in a particular time frame, and secondly, we use it with the combination of FIBO to determine the support and resistance for our work plan. So here are some simple definitions about moving averages and Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is an indicator that also use a simple moving average in its middle band. The moving average indicator is a commonly used technical analysis tool that helps identify trends, smooth out price fluctuations, and generate trading signals. It calculates the average price of an asset over a specific period of time and plots it on a price chart as a line. The moving average is calculated by summing up a specific number of prices. Closing price are commonly used over a defined period of then divided the sum by the number of periods. For example, a 20-day simple moving average would calculate the average closing price of each candle over the past 20 days. Simple. The Bollinger Band indicator is a popular technical analysis tool that helps traders assess price volatility and potential price reversals in financial markets. It consists of three lines plotted on a price chart: the middle band, a simple moving average, and an upper band and a lower band that are typically 2 standard deviation away from the middle band. In our MT4 setup, you may see one red line, 3 blue lines. This red line is a moving average of 200 intervals, and those 3 blue lines are Bollinger Bands with 44 midline. The midline of BB is a simple moving average, and the outer lines are upper band and lower bands considering the limits of the price. We simply use these two indicators as support and resistance in our charts and combine them with FIBO retracements. Later we will learn the application and implementation of them. So let's stick to simple definitions here. When BB44 crosses SMA 200 and goes up, it indicates bullish trend and we call it golden cross. And on the other hand, when BB44 crosses SMA 200 and goes under it, then we consider it as bearish trend and called as death cross. Here are two examples on left and right pictures. You can see and I think you'll be familiar with the chart because we have already developed this MT4 setup.